Hi everyone, welcome again to the class of literary readers. So in this video I'm going to talk about what is literary theory and what is literary criticism and the difference between these two. So let's proceed. Now if we look at the word criticism, the word criticism does not mean criticizing. It means analyzing and evaluating. For example, when we read any literary work, we do not only look at the negative aspects of the work. If we are criticizing any piece of work, we come up with the conclusions based on both the aspects, negative and the positive. So criticism includes review of any literary work based on both the aspects, negative and positive. Now, a literary critic is someone who has so much knowledge about literature because he has read a lot about it. Like we had the famous critics Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle from the Greek literature, then we had Philip Sidney from the Elizabethan period, then Matthew Arnold from the Victorian era. So these writers had so much knowledge about literature, that is why they were able to interpret, analyze the particular meaning of the text. And besides the meaning of the text, the critics also talk about the theme, style, setting, form, prosody, characterization, and etc. So, in brief, we can say that literary criticism means to review any literary work, and criticism also includes the opinions of famous literary critics, and their opinions works like evidence because they had understood literature at the deepest level. Now, if we talk about the meaning of literary theory, then first look at the definition of literary theory. Literary theory is the body of ideas and methods we use in the practical reading of literature. By literary theory, we refer not to the meaning of a work of literature but to the theories that reveal what literature can mean. Literary theory is, one might say, the tools by which we attempt to understand literature. Now, let's understand what is literary theory. Now, literary theory also developed from the literary criticism. Literary theory means to judge any single piece of work with different perspectives. By literary theories, we refer not to the meaning of a work of literature but to the theories that reveal what literature can mean. For example, when we judge any literary work with the feminist point of view, then we will come up with the meaning that is only based on the feminist theory. Likewise, when we read and judge the same text based on the Marxist theory, then the meaning and conclusion will be changed. So, literary theory based on judging the similar text with different perspectives or different theories. Like we have new criticism theory, post colonial theories, and many more. And besides this, literary theory does not only talk about the text but the cultural and social influences on the text. So we can say that literary theories were developed as a means to understand the various ways people read text. All literary theories are lenses through which we can see text. Now, what is the difference between these two? That literary criticism is based on the review that was done by the famous critics like Plato, Aristotle, Horace, and Longinus, and literary theory concerned with the reader's perspective. Now, here the reader becomes the critic. Now, he can judge the same text with different opinions based on the different literary theories. So that's all for today's video. I hope I was able to simplify about the today's topic. If you have any query, then post your comments in the comment section below. And if you really like the video, then do subscribe to my channel and keep watching Literary Readers. Thank you.